ShareASale Affiliate Network Honest Review. Welcome to this honest review of the ShareASale Affiliate Network. If you're an affiliate marketer or a brand looking to grow through performance-based partnerships, this platform could be for you. ShareASale has been a cornerstone in the affiliate marketing industry for over 2 decades, connecting affiliates and merchants seamlessly. Its standout features include an intuitive dashboard, robust tracking tools, and access to over 21,000 affiliate programs. Whether you're a beginner exploring affiliate marketing or a seasoned professional looking for niche-specific partnerships, ShareASale accommodates all levels. One of its strongest points is the vast diversity of merchants across industries, from fashion to technology and everything in between. For affiliates, ShareASale simplifies the process of finding profitable programs. Its interface lets you filter programs by EPC, earnings per click, network rank, and merchant category. The transparency in reporting ensures you understand how your efforts are converting into commissions. For merchants, it offers tools to recruit and manage affiliates, track performance, and optimize payouts, all designed to scale your program efficiently. A highlight is the real-time tracking system that ensures accurate reporting of clicks, sales, and commissions, eliminating guesswork. The platform shines with its low barrier to entry. There's no cost for affiliates to join, and setup fees for merchants are competitive compared to other networks. The payout system is reliable, with affiliates receiving payments on time, either via direct deposit or check. However, one downside for beginners is the $50 minimum payment threshold, which could delay earnings for those just starting. Another drawback is that some merchants on the platform offer low commission rates, so it's essential to choose wisely. ShareASale also provides excellent support through detailed tutorials, webinars, and a responsive customer service team. Yet, some users have noted that the platform design feels outdated, which might not appeal to those accustomed to sleeker interfaces. Despite this, the functionality remains solid, and the platform's reputation speaks volumes about its reliability. In summary, ShareASale is ideal for affiliates and merchants seeking a straightforward, reliable, and proven affiliate network. It's especially beneficial if you value transparency, diverse program options, and dependable support. While it's not without minor flaws, the pros far outweigh the cons, making it a great choice for scaling your affiliate marketing efforts. If you're serious about affiliate marketing, ShareASale deserves a spot on your shortlist.